Rabby wallet transaction pending. So let's say your transaction is actually pending and you've not been able to send out your cryptocurrency. What do you do about it? The first step is just to simply log onto the Rabby wallet, reload your wallet first, and then head into the wallet section, click on wallets, and you should see your transactions. When you click on the tokens you currently own, you're going to see that the transaction is still pending, or it may have sent eventually. So when you click on the transaction, the first thing you should do is click on the hash at the bottom right corner where we have hash here. Click on this and it's going to open up the network block explorer. So it's going to open up the block explorer. You can see the status of your transaction. You can see the block. You can see the timestamp from where you're sending to and to who you're sending to, as well as values, transaction fees, and gas prices as well. Everything would be displayed here on the explorer of the token you're sending it to. Now, besides that, you can also try canceling the transaction if it's available. If the transaction hasn't been confirmed yet, Rabby may offer a cancel option. Just submit the cancellation and wait for it to be confirmed. Now, you should also check your gas fees. Transactions can remain pending if the gas fee is too low. For future transactions, please choose a recommended or higher gas fee, especially when the network is congested. You can also try refreshing the Rabby wallet. Refresh the wallet or restart your browser to make sure the transaction status is up to date. Sometimes the pending status is only a display delay. So you're allowed to just minimize the application and swipe it out and then reopen the app again. Now you can also try one final thing, such as speeding up the transaction. So if Rabby shows a speed up option, click on it and increase the gas fee to help your transaction get processed faster. Now you can also wait for network confirmations. If the blockchain network is busy, your transaction may just simply need more time to be confirmed. After that, you can just check the transaction status and you're done. Alright guys,